Please like, share, and subscribe to empower others. Good morning, everyone. Uh, and for those of you that did not attend our class yesterday, I'm just going to start from how you download the app. I said I will be teaching you how you can make money by creating mobile apps and designing website. Now the thing is that anytime you are using a particular app, you are indirectly making money for the developers of those apps. So you too, you can develop your own app while you what make money with it. When you develop a particular app and people make use of your app, the more people use your app, the more money you make. So it's a passive income because you just have to work once and you'll be sleeping and money will be going into your account. It sounds great, right? Now today I will be teaching you I will be teaching you how to create a design mobile app using just your phone. All you need is your phone without coding. So I will be giving you a particular software you will need, which is a App Creator 24. You can see it on my screen here. Now, first of all, what do? Take your phone to Play Store, scroll to Play Store. There's my Play Store. Then I'll click on Play Store. Then you search for App Creator 24. You can see it here. Then I'll click on App Creator 24. Now you can see the ones I install. This App Creator 24, you can either install this one or this other second one. But this one I install, you can see this particular one I install, it works great. So you just click on download. Then once you download this App Creator 24, then the next thing you click on what? Open. Now it has opened already because I have already logged in. These are mobile apps that I've created that develop for people. Now let me log out and show you how you can create your own app yourself. How you can create your own yourself. Okay, that's how you can create your own account. Now I've already created my own account. That's why the thing just take me in. Now let me show you how you can create your own account. Now once you continue, like you can see another, just click on this creator, this red button here. Click on it so that you can create your own account. Then here, the first page there, I will have to put my phone number, which is let me just use my second phone number to open the account. 081312888284. Sorry, 09036889008. Now click on it. Then I'll choose language. From here, I can choose language. That's the second column. I can choose to use English language. I will go to English language A, B, C, D, E. Or I will just select my country direct. That's Nigeria. Now you can see I'm on Nigeria. I will just click on Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. I will just click on Nigeria. Then here I will put my email address. Christian, please. Now see, I put my own email address, which is important. Then this last one, this is where I have to put my password. That's the password I wish to use. I will just have to put the password. I'm just creating this account because I already have an account with them, but this one is just for explanation sake. Now you see, then here I will have to accept their terms and conditions. I will click on accept terms and conditions. On the number displayed on the screen, if you have any question to join my WhatsApp group, then you can just contact me on this number. Then I will add you to my WhatsApp group where I coach people for free. Then from here I will just click on this green button here to create my own account. You see, I can decide to save password. My account has been created successfully. Now once you have created your account successfully, now you've logged in. Now on your left hand side, the top most of your phone, this top side of your phone, on your left hand side you see three lines here. So click on these three lines. Then from here you can see everything that is here. Then from here you can choose if I want to create a mobile app that one can use to chat. Maybe for example chatting, let me like just an app like a WhatsApp, Facebook. I'll just click on social creator. Then I'll just click on this social creator. Now, just as a new beginner, they are asking me I must have to what? Access a video first. I don't cancel. I don't need to access a video because I already know it. Or I'll just click on this app creator 24. Now let me show you something. Leave the social creator app creator 24. Now they're asking me to log in. Remember, I've already created an account, right? Now we have to log in with my email and password. Then I will log in with my email and password for the account I've already created. Let me log in with my email and password. Now let me log in with my email and password. Here I will just have to put my email address. Then here I will have to put my password as well. Now I have put my password. Now I've put my password, then I'll just click on this red button to log in. I just need to save my password. You see, these are apps that I've created before. You can see them here. Now, if I want to create a new app, I'll just click on this new application. I'll just click on it just to create new app. Some are in English language. You can download the one on English language. These are all the apps I've created before. Then I'll just click here. This on my left hand side, this topmost my left hand side, I'll click on these three lines here. Once I click on it, it take me here. Then I'll go to this app creator 24. Sorry, this to click on. I supposed to click on social creator, not app creator 24, because clicking on app creator 24 will log you out. Then let me log in back again. Sorry for that. Now I'm logging in now with this green button here. Then now I want to create a mobile app. Since you have not done, you can see this new application. That here you have to create new app. Immediately you log in as a new user, you have not been using account before. You see where the root create an application. Just click on it.
Do you want to make money but can't find a way to make money? Download the app. Enjoy the best value for money.
Let me close the ad. Sorry. Then you see once I click on create app under. Then here I will have to enter the name. The first column here, I will have to enter the name of the what app, like WhatsApp. When they wanted to create WhatsApp, they name it WhatsApp. So this is where I name my mobile app. That's the app I want to create. Okay, let me say I want to create a social app for chatting. I can just put Niger Chat. I can just say Niger Chat as the name of the app. Then here, this icon, that's Facebook has its own icon. You know, Facebook has an icon, WhatsApp has an icon. So under this icon, I will click on. I will have to choose the file I will use on my for my icon. If I click on choose file, so I will have to choose icon from the gallery here. That's from inside the app. But if I click on this second option, so this will take me to my phone gallery where I will choose any image I wish to use for my application. I hope you get this. Then from here, other displays that we have to describe what my app is all about. Okay, I will just say this, like when you go to Play Store, you see the description of an app, what the app is all about. So this is where you write it. I will say this app is made for chatting. This app is made for chatting. This app is made for chatting. That's my description. I'll just put my description. Then let me choose file, the icon that will use for my that I will use for my app. That's my app icon. That's what I want to choose now. Then I'll just click on my app icon. Then I will go to my gallery images. I'll just select anyone I wish to use. Let me see it from download. I'll just select, if this is what I want to use, I'll just select this image. Now you see I've selected the image. The next thing I'll click on next. There's this green button here. I'll click on next. You see, therefore once I click on next, then I will now select the layout for my app. Now you can see here, now you select the layout. Which color do you want the app to use? You can see different color here. So I can choose the layout. I will just select any color I like here. By what anyone you like, just click on the word, just click on the circle behind it. You just click on the circle behind it, then you to select. I think I will stop here first. Then I want everybody that have downloaded the app, or if you have not downloaded the app, just download the app. Now try reach this point then before we proceed. Okay, if there's any question, then you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. And my phone number on the WhatsApp group, for those of you that are not on my WhatsApp group, is 090 36 888 908. That's plus 234 90 36 888 908. Okay, then once I will be coaching you on each step by step. So I will stop here for now. Then once we have all reached this end stage, then we'll proceed from there as well. I'll be coaching you. You'll be sending me screenshots, and I'll be telling you what to do individually. Okay, good luck on your creation of